children, today we are going to take the numbers book first. We are going to do the numbers. You are going to count the beads. Okay. Now you take page number 37, 38. See here. See in your numbers book. See here, your numbers book, page number 38. Okay. So you can see the beads in the rod. So can you see the beads in the rod? Okay. So you're going to count the beads. எத்தனை beads இருக்குன்னு count பண்ணி you're going to write the number. Okay, children? Okay. So let's start with the first one. So see here, I'm going to draw the first rod. See here. So children, see here how many beads are there. Count how many beads are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So near that you write number 5. Okay. Near that box you write number 5. See here children. See here. So are you able to see this? So you count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and you write the number near this. Okay. There is a gap here. So you write number 5 here. Okay. Now next one. So have you written? Next one. See here. Count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, children, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write number 4 here. How will you write number 4? Okay, you write number 4. Next, see here. Count the beads. Count the beads, children. 1, 2, 3. So write number 3 here. Write number 3. Number 3. So write number 3. Okay. Now next, see here, count how many beads are there. 1, 2. Write 2 near that. Okay. Now next, last one in this row, 1 bead is there. How many beads? 1 bead. So write number 1 near that. Okay. Now see the next line. Next column, see here, there are many beads. So correct count panno. So keep your pencil and count. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how many beads are there? 10 beads are there. So how will you write 10, children? How will you write 10? So do you know to write 10? 1, 0, 10. Okay, 1, 0, 10. So near that rod, so there is a box, there is an empty space here. So here you write 1, 0, 10. Okay, children? Next, see here. Next, you have to count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many beads are there? 9 beads are there. How many? 9. Count and write 9. Okay, next see here. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads are there. Okay. So in the descending order it is coming. அப்படியே வருது பாருங்க 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 தான் வரும். So count பண்ணுங்க 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 7. 7. 7 எழுதிக்கோங்க. Next here how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Backward counting. Backward counting. Forward counting நீங்க படிச்சிருக்கீங்க. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. நீங்க numbers எழுதணும். You have to count and write the numbers. ஸோ பேக்வர்ட் கவுண்டிங் எப்படி வரும்னா பின்னாடி இருந்து கவுண்ட் பண்ணும் 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, children? Okay. Now see here, 2 rods are there. So how many? 2 rods. So 2-digit number. How many digit number? 2-digit number. So I'm going to do the first thing for you. So see the board. See the board, children. So these are all still now. You learned the 1-digit numbers. And now we are going to learn the 2 digits. See here. See this. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 இங்க இருக்கு. And here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there. 10. Okay, 10 is there. Okay, so 10 is there. So how will you write? 40, 50, 30, 20, 10. So see here, children. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there. Okay, so this side 10 and this side 5. Okay, this side 5 is there and this side 10 is. Okay, so how will you count? 10 count பண்ணி எழுதும்போது, so see here, so this is 50 children. So 10 na inga 0. How many? See here, count this. It is 1/10. How many? Or 10 idhula irukku and here 5 beats are there. How many tens are there, children? ஒரே ஒரு tens, ஒரே ஒரு 10 இருக்கு. இங்க 5 ones இருக்கு. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones are there. So இதுக்கு கீழே நீங்க 5 எழுதுங்க. இதுல 110 இருக்கு. ஒரே ஒரு tens இருக்கு. ஒரே ஒரு 10 beats இருக்கு. அப்போ இது 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. இங்க இதை கவுண்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 50. So what is the number? In the number வந்து 50. Okay, children, this is 50. So this is also coming in the decreasing order. See here, idhula 10 beats irukku. So 1/10 is there, and here how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 ones are there. 1/10 and 4 ones. Suppose see here 40, 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Okay, okay, children, you have to write like this. Okay, next this is 20. How many? 20. So full 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 tens are there, so 20. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there. Okay. See here 90, 80, 70, 60. 90, 80, 70, 60. Okay, now still here it is enough. See here, இது வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு போதும். This you will be learning the 2-digit number in the UKG. Okay, UKG படிக்கும்போது you will be drawing this column, this rods, and you will be writing. So till here it's enough. இது வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு போதும். So till here you write. Okay, children? Okay. Now you close this book. Okay, now next one, see, alphabet book. We have learned a new alphabet. So what alphabet did we learn last week? Okay, C. So what is this letter? C. C for, say the C letter word. C for carrot. C for cap. C for cake. C for cup. C for corn. And this is cat. C for cat. These are the C words. Okay. Now next is O. So next is O. So see here. Now see here. This is O. How will you write O? Trace like this. O with your fingers. O for orange. O for orange. Next. O for ox. O for ox. Next. O for olives. O for olives. Next. O for oil. O for oil. Next. O for ostrich. Next, last one. O for octopus. Okay. O for ostrich and O for octopus. So these are the O words which we have learned. C words and O words. Okay. So now we are going to revise from the first. Okay, children, we are going to revise from the first. You know to write all the letters and you have to read. So you have to see the pictures. Picture apart, you have to tell me what words are these. Okay. So first you tell me what letter is this. So this is the first letter we learned. What letter is this? This is L. Okay, children. L. L for, see the picture clearly. L for lion. Leaf. This is lamp, lock, lotus and lemon. These are the L words. Okay, L words. Next, see here. Next, this is, what letter is this, children? See here, you can see a sleeping line, and in the center you can see a standing line. Sleeping line, and in the center standing line. So what is this? Tiger. T for tiger, T for tomato. And next, what is this? This is toes. And what is this? This is a top. This is tortoise, and this is a table. Okay, children. Tiger, tomato, toes, top, tortoise, and table. These are the T letter words. So be thorough with these T words, L words. And next comes the, what letter is this? See here, children. First, you can see a sleeping line. Second, a standing line in the center. கீழே ஒரு sleeping line. Below also you can see, up and down you can see a sleeping line. In the center you can see a standing line. This is letter I. What letter is this, children? I. I for, see the picture, I for igloo. I for igloo. Next, I for ink pot. What is this? I for ink pot. Next, what is this? I for iguana. I for iguana. Next, I for India. India is a country. Okay. I for India. Next, see here. What is this? I for insect. I for insect. And see here. What is this? I for infant. Okay. I for infant. Next letter. See here, children. Now we are learning only the standing line and sleeping line and the letters based. First, we learnt only the standing line and the sleeping lines and letters based on those lines. So, see here. So, how many? What line is this? Tell me, what line is this? This is a standing line. So, see here, another one line. What line is this? This is also a standing line. Two standing lines are there. The centerல நம்ம ஒரு line போடுறோம். It is a sleeping line. இந்த ரெண்டு லைனையும் ஜாயின் பண்ணி சென்டர்ல ஒரு லைன் போடுறோம். It is a sleeping line. This is letter H. Okay. So H for house. What is this? House. What is this, children? Hat. Next, hen, hand. H for hammer. And last one, H for horse. Okay, these are the H words. Okay, next see here. So standing line and first one sleeping line and second one sleeping line. What letter is this? This is letter F. What letter is this, children? This is letter F. Okay, F for fish. F for fairy. Next, what is this? F for fan. F for feathers. What is this? Feathers. And what is this fruit? What fruit is this, children? F for fig. Okay. And this is last one, F for fox. Okay, children? F for fox. Okay, next see here. Here also, three sleeping lines are coming, one standing line and three sleeping lines. Two sleeping line means it is F. ரெண்டு sleeping line na adu F. Three sleeping lines na adu E. What letter is this? This is letter E. So E words, come on, tell the E letter words. E for elephant. What is this, children? E for elephant. Next, what do you see here? So E for, tell me, children, what is this? So repeat after me. See the picture clearly. What is this? E for egg. What is this? E for egg. Next, see here. What picture is this? E for engine. What is this? E for engine. Next, what is this? E for Eskimo. Eskimo. Next, E for elf. E for elf. And last one, E for elbow. E for elbow. Okay. Now, next we are going to learn the three lines are coming. Slanting line also is coming here. Okay. So still now we learned only the standing line and sleeping line. Now in this letter you are going to see another one line, slanting line. Slanting line is coming. Okay. So see here. First you are writing, drawing a standing line. Standing line வரையறீங்க. Next, அந்த மேல இருந்து you are going to draw a slanting line. and கீழ இருந்து மேல ஒரு standing line. Okay, so this is letter N. What letter is this? This is letter N. Okay, N for nest. What is this? N for nest. What is this, children? N for nose. What is this? N for nose. What is this? N for net. What is this? N for net. And this is N for newspaper. What is this? N for newspaper. And what is this, children? N for needle. Okay. N for needle. And what is this? This is N for nail. Ani. N for nail. Okay. So this is N letter. Now see here, two slanting lines are coming. The slanting line எப்படி போட்டுறாங்க பாருங்க. First you draw this side and second you draw this side. இப்படி ரெண்டும் மீட் பண்றாங்க பாருங்க. ரெண்டு slanting lines it is meeting. In the center this letter is X. What letter is this? This letter is X. Okay. X for இது பார்த்திருப்பீங்க during the Christmas. What is this? X for Xmas tree. What is this, children? X for Xmas tree. What is this? X for X-ray. What's this? X for X-ray. Next, what is this? Here, what do you mean? These are the words starting with letter X. Okay, in the X words the X words see here, these are the words starting with letter X. So Xmas tree, X-ray, and this is xylophone. These three words have X as the starting letter. X வந்து first letter வருது. ஆனா இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா X comes in the middle, X comes in the end, in the middle, and here it is in the end. Okay, so see here, this is box, fox, and this is axe. Here it is coming in the middle. X வந்து இங்க மிடில்ல வருது, நடுவுல வருது. ஓகே, நடுவுல வருது. இங்க X வந்து கடைசில எண்டிங்ல வருது இந்த ரெண்டு இடத்துல. ஓகே, so only these three are beginning words. Xmas tree, X-ray, and xylophone. Okay, X words finished. Next, see here, what letter is this, children? Y. Okay, what letter is this? Y. Y for, so here how we should trace it? Put a small slanting line, then a big slanting line. This is Y for yak. Y for yak. And what is this? Y for yacht. What is this? Y for yellow. Okay, what is this? Y for yellow. What is this, children? Y for yarn. What is this? Y for yarn. So next, what is this? Yogurt. Y for yogurt. And next, what is this? This is yo-yo. Okay, these are the Y letter words. And next comes the K letter. Standing line and two slanting lines from the middle. K for kite. What is this? Kite. Next, see the picture. K for kettle. What is this? K for kettle. Next, see here, you'll be having in your house. What is this? K for key. எல்லார் வீட்ல இருக்கும். K for key. சாவி இருக்கும்ல. Next, what is this? K for king. King, Raja. K for king. Next, cola. K for cola. And K for kangaroo. Okay, these are the K words. Okay, so be thorough with these words. So if I tell you a letter means you should tell me the words. What are the words coming there? So if I tell you what is this letter, if I ask you what letter is this means, you should tell me this is letter Z or Z. Z nu cholala, Z nu cholala. Okay, so this is letter Z, and tell me the Z letter words. So if I ask you, tell me the Z letter words, Z letter words la Z letter la varra words la solunga, beginning words அப்படினா. See here, see the picture. What is this? Z for zip. What is this? Z for zip. And here zebra. What is this? Zebra. Next, what is this? Zero. What is this, children? Zero. Okay, now see here, what is this? These lines, zigzag lines. What is this? Zigzag. Okay, now see here, what is this, children? Zoo. Zoo. And what is this? Zucchini. Zucchini. அப்படின்னா இது இந்த சொரக்கா இருக்குல்ல, சொரக்கான்பாங்க, zucchini. Okay, Next, see here. Next letter, starting letter of the alphabet. First in the letter da varum. So what letter is this? A. What letter is this, children? A. A for apple. What letter is this? A for apple. And what is this? A for ant. A for ankle. Next, axe. Next, see the picture, arrow. And what is this? Alligator. Okay, these are the A words. Okay, these are the A words. Now see here, this is letter M. What letter is this, children? This is letter M. So you have to know how to write the letter. So இங்கிருந்து நீங்க இங்கிருந்து இப்படி start பண்ணணும். Like this, then slanting line, then another one standing line. Okay, so M for, see the picture, M for monkey. What is this? M for monkey. M for mango. M for milk. M for mirror. And M for mat. And last one is M for moon. These are the M words. Okay, so this is V, letter V. Okay, V for, what is this, children? Van. What is this? Van. Okay, next, see here, what is this? V for violin. So if I show you the picture, means you should tell me what word is that. Okay, okay, now see here, what is this? This is vegetables. Okay, V for vegetables. What is this? V for vest. What is this? V for vase. And next, what is this? V for vulture. Okay. Okay. Next letter is W. Okay. W. See here, W. Okay, should know how to write and practice all the letters in the slate. Slateல எழுதி பாருங்க. Still now we have learned many letters, so learn all the letters. Okay, what is this, children? W for well. What is this? W for well. Okay, now see here, what picture is this? This is watermelon. What is this? Watermelon. So W for watermelon. Next, wool. Wool. Next, this is watch. What is this? Watch. This is wolf. Wolf. And the last one is walrus. Okay, now these are the W letter words. And now we are going to learn the curved patterns. So in the curved patterns, we have learned two letters, C and O. So C for carrot, cap, cake, cup, corn, and this is catch. Okay, and next one, O. For O, you learned O for orange, O for ox, olives, oil, ostrich, and octopus. Okay, so still this, you have to be thorough and you must know to write the letters. Okay, you must know to write the letter. If I ask you to write a letter, means you should know to write. Okay, so see here, so still 10 is enough. So this much is, don't need this much. See here, so I'll give you like this. So count and write the number. See here, children, see the board. If I tell you to, if I give a picture like this, and if I tell you to count the number, means you have to count the number of beats and write count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4 beats are there. Okay. Now see here. இப்போ அடுத்து பாருங்க. This அடுத்து நம்ம draw பண்றேன். 1, 2. Count the beats. How many beats are there? இப்படி மிஸ் கொடுத்திருந்தேன்னா, if I give like this, இப்படி picture வரைஞ்சி கொடுத்திருந்தேன்னா, நீங்க beats count பண்ணி இங்க number எழுதணும். Okay. So 1 to 10 is enough. 1ல இருந்து 10 வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு போதும். Okay. So 1ல இருந்து 10 வரைக்கும் போதும். So count and write. So now see here, how many beats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many beats are there? 6 beats are there. So you should write number 6. Okay, next see here. Okay, next see here. Okay, now see here, count how many beats are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ஸோ இந்த பீட்ஸை நீங்கள் கவுண்ட் பண்ணி எழுத போகிறீங்க. மிஸ் இப்படி வரைஞ்சிட்டு கொடுத்துருந்தேன்னா ஸோ நீங்கள் இந்த பீட்ஸை மட்டும் கவுண்ட் பண்ணி நீங்கள் நம்பர் எழுதணும். 1 0 10. ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் டுடேஸ் ஒர்க். ஸோ இது ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். இன் யர் புக் அது பேக்வேர்டில் இருக்குது. ஸோ இஃப் ஐ கிவ் யூ எனி நம்பர் ஆல்சோ யூ கேன் ரைட். சி இப்போ மிஸ் ஒரு நம்பர் கொடுக்குறேன். ஸோ see here, see the number. What number is this? So this is number 7. So draw the beads அப்படின்னு கொடுக்குறேன் மிஸ். draw the beads for this number. இந்த நம்பருக்கு நீங்க beads draw பண்ணுங்கன்னா you should draw a line. draw பண்ணிட்டு இது நம்பர் என்னது? what number is this children? இது என்ன நம்பர்? 7. ஸோ 7க்கு நீங்க கவுண்ட் பண்ணி பீட்ஸ் ட்ரா பண்ணும். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி மிஸ் வந்து நான் பீட்ஸ் ட்ரா பண்ணியிருந்தேன், நீங்க கவுண்ட் பண்ணி எழுதிங்க. இப்போ மிஸ் நம்பர் கொடுத்துருக்கேன், நீங்க யூ ஷுட் ட்ரா த பீட்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ 7. ஸோ ஸ்டார்ட் கவுண்டிங். லெட் அஸ் ட்ரா 1. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay children, so if number is given you should draw the beads. If beads is given you should count and write the number. Okay, so ரெண்டு மாதிரி நம்பர் கொடுத்தாலும் beads வரையணும், beads கொடுத்தாலும் you should count and write the number. Okay, so till 1 to 10 is enough. 1 ல இருந்து 10 வரைக்கும் நீங்க beads count பண்ணி எழுதினா போதும். Okay children, and next one, see here, you have learnt the patterns. So I'll show you the pattern. So see here, this is the zigzag lines. So see here, so you have learned the pattern. Mountain pattern லாம் படிச்சீங்களா? So you have learned that mountain pattern. Draw பண்ணீங்களா? See here, எப்படி மிஸ் ட்ரேஸ் பண்றேன். நீங்க ஸ்கூலுக்கு வந்தா நீங்க இதை வச்சு ட்ரேஸ் பண்ணலாம். See here, see here. Okay. So this is what pattern is this? So this we have done in the alphabet book. Alphabet bookல நம்ம இந்த pattern draw பண்ணோம். இங்க பாருங்க. So I am tracing. What pattern is this? Mountain pattern. இது என்ன pattern மா? mountain மாதிரி இருக்கா? மேல மேல போதா? This is mountain pattern. Okay, இது என்ன pattern? Mountain pattern. Okay, now see here. Next is curve. Curve miss சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன்ல. So curve, see here. So you should start from here. இந்த பாருங்க. So yesterday, last week, so weekend, before weekend, Friday I taught you this. See here, இப்படி trace பண்ணணும். This is the curve. Let us see இப்படி தானே வருது. So நீங்க இது எப்படி இருக்கும்? You should keep your fingers, hold it like this. So you have to trace like this. What is this? C. Okay, இங்க பாருங்க. Curve. These are the curves. So again, now we are going to learn the letters based on curves. So now we are going to learn the letters based on curves. So on the curve, எப்படி போடணும்னு பாருங்க, இப்படி வரும். Okay, இப்படி trace பண்ணணும். You have to trace like this. Okay, இப்படி trace பண்ணணும். Next, see here. Next curve. Right curve, left curve. Okay, now take your phonics book. Phonics book. Okay, take your festivals. Take your festival book. Okay, first you take your festival book, and in that page number 36. Okay, children, see here, page number 36. See here, can you see this picture? Who is this? இது யாருன்னு தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு? இந்த பிக்சர்ல இருக்கிறது யாருன்னு தெரியுமா? This is Nehru. Okay, who is this? Nehru. Okay, Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. Nehru யாருமா? Jawaharlal Nehru. அவரோட full name வந்து Jawaharlal Nehru. He is the first Prime Minister of India. நம்ம நாட்டோட first Prime Minister வந்து Jawaharlal Nehru. அவரோட birthday என்னைக்கு தெரியுமா? November 14th. When his birthday is celebrated? November 14th. So Nehruக்கு he likes children very much. Okay, Nehru இருக்காங்கல்ல, Jawaharlal Nehru, he likes children very much. So his birthday is celebrated. Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru. He is the first president of first prime minister. Sorry, children, he is the first prime minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru is the first prime minister of India. And when is his birthday celebrated? His birthday comes only in November, this month. So this is November, no? Do you know this is November? November 14th. So when is his birthday celebrated? November 14th. Okay. Okay, he is called as, see here, he likes children very much, and he is called as Chacha Nehru. How is he called? Chacha Nehru. யார் இப்படி கூப்பிட்டாங்க? சாச்சா நேருன்னு யாரு கூப்பிடுவாங்க? சில்ட்ரன். See here, children like you, he likes children very much. அவருக்கு குழந்தைங்கன்னா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். ஸோ அந்த சில்ட்ரன்லாம் அவரை எப்படி கூப்பிட்டாங்க? அந்த குழந்தைங்கலாம் அவரை சாச்சா நேருன்னு தான் கூப்பிடுவாங்க. How will they call them? Chacha Nehru. Okay, so Jawaharlal Nehru, he is the first Prime Minister of India. Who is he? Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. Okay, next see here, when is his birthday celebrated? அவர் எப்போ பிறந்தார்னா November 14th. When is his birthday celebrated? November 14th. Okay, and next see here, he likes children very much. அவருக்கு ரொம்ப children ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். சின்ன குழந்தைங்கள்லாம் அவருக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். So his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. How is his birthday celebrated? His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Okay, children? Okay, do you understand? So see here, Jawaharlal Nehru, he is the first Prime Minister of India. Who is Jawaharlal Nehru? Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. Yaru Jawaharlal Nehru yaru? He is the first Prime Minister. Okay. When is his birthday celebrated? Avaru eppa pirandaru? When was he born? When was he born? When is his birthday celebrated? November 14th. This month only. So see here, November 14th is his birthday. அவருக்கு யாரை ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்? He likes children very much. Okay, அவருக்கு யார் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்? அவருக்கு childrenனா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். ஸோ அவர் பர்த்டேயை எப்படி செலிப்ரேட் பண்றாங்க? November 14th இருக்குல்ல, he likes children very much, and November 14th அன்னைக்கு it is celebrated as Children's Day in India. Okay, ஸோ அவங்க பர்த்டே அன்னைக்கு, சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் டே அன்னைக்கு ஸ்கூலில் நிறைய காம்படிஷன்ஸ்லாம் வைப்பாங்க, உங்களுக்கு ப்ரைஸ்லாம் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஸோ திஸ் இயர் we are not celebrating, but every year நீங்கள் ஸ்கூலுக்கு வரும்போதெல்லாம் நம்ம சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் டே செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுவோம். Okay, so see here, November 14th is celebrated as Children's Day. How is it celebrated? Children's Day. And நேருவை எப்படி கூப்பிடுவாங்க? சில்ட்ரன்லாம் எப்படி ரொம்ப அன்பா கூப்பிடுவாங்கன்னா சாச்சா நேரு. How will the children call him? Chacha Nehru. He is called as Chacha Nehru by children. How is he called? He is called as Chacha Nehru by the children. Okay, children. So always he's wearing a rose in his dress. Our dressல எப்பவுமே ஒரு ரோஸ் வச்சிருப்பாரு, நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். So rose. Okay, and now next see here. See the picture, children. So see here, this is a Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, so November 14th we are going to celebrate the Children's Day. Okay, next thing, so last one is the phonics. Take your phonics book. Take your phonics book. And see here, we have learned the sounds of many letters. நிறைய letters ஓட sounds பார்த்திருக்கோம். Okay, phonics. So ஒவ்வொரு லெட்டருக்கும், so each letter has a sound. ஒவ்வொரு லெட்டருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு sound உண்டு. Each letter. So each letter, there are 26 letters in the alphabets. How many letters are there, children? நம்ம A to Z, how many letters are there? A ல இருந்து Z வரைக்கும் 26 letters are there. How many letters? A to Z, 26 letters are there in the alphabet. Okay, so each letter, ஒவ்வொரு லெட்டருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு sound உண்டு. Okay, so see here, each letter has a sound, And first, see here, this is, we have already learned this. A, letter A. A, ant. A, apple. What is the sound of A? Ant. Apple. Next, see here. After A, B. 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 What is the sound of B? B. B oda sound என்னதுமா? B. அப்ப B, 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 bat. Okay, what is this? B, 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 bat. Next, see here. First, we see the beginning letters. Beginning letters மட்டும் பார்ப்போம். Next, see here. C. What is the sound of C? K. K, 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 cat. What is the sound of C? K, 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 cat. Next, letter D. D, 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 dog. What is it? D, 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 dog. Next, E. E, 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 egg. E, 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 egg. Next, F. Letter F. F. How will it sound? F letter oda sound எப்படி இருக்கும்? F. F, 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 fan. What is the sound of F? F, 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 fan. Okay, அப்படி சொல்லணும். Next, see here. F க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கு? G. F க்கு அப்புறம் G. G, 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 goat. G for goat. அப்ப நாங்க எப்படி சொல்லணும்? G, 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 goat. G ஓட சவுண்ட் சொல்லுங்கன்னா G, 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 goat. Next, H. H, 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 hat. What is this? H, 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 hat. Okay, now we are going to learn next letter I. Okay, I. I can be sound I, 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 igloo. எப்படி சொல்லணும்? I, 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 igloo. Okay, next, J. J can be J. Sorry, J, 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 jug. Okay, how will you write? How will you say the sound? J, 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 jug. Okay, see here. First letter is I. Here, first letter is J, children. Okay, see the letters carefully. So, இவ்வளவு நேரம் நம்ம வந்து H வரைக்கும் பார்த்தோம். இப்போ I. I for igloo. அப்போ I லெட்டரோட சவுண்ட் வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்? I, 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 igloo. ஸ்டார்டிங் igloo. Igloo அப்படின்னா நம்ம வந்து I, 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 igloo. அப்புறம் ஜக். ஜ. ஜன்னு வருதா? ஸோ ஜ, 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 ஜக். ஜக் எப்படி சொல்லுவீங்க? ஜக். ஜ, 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 ஜக். அடுத்து K. What is this letter? K. K, 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 kite. இங்க பாருங்க எப்படி சொல்லணும்? கைட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர் K இருக்கு. K ஓட சவுண்ட் என்னது? K, 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 kite. ஓகே, அதுக்கு அடுத்து K க்கு அப்புறம் L. L, L, leg. Leg. ஓகே, சவுண்ட் வந்து leg. Next, M. M லெட்டரோட சவுண்ட் mango. 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 N. N. N வந்து net. அப்படி உம்னு வந்தா M. ன்னு வந்தா N. ஓகே, na M. na N. ஓகே, next, see here. O. O க்கு O. 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 Orange. Orange சொல்லும்ல. O. O. O sound. Orange. Orange. Next, வேற ஏதாவது words? Orange. Next, O for octopus. O sound எப்படி வருது? Octopus. Orange எப்படி வருது? O. ஓக்கு எப்படி சவுண்ட் வந்து? O. Orange. Octopus. Ostrich. On sound வருது. O sound எப்படி? O. O. Orange. Orange. Ostrich. O sound. Okay, next வந்து P. 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 P ஓட sound P. 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 Pot. P. P ஓட sound P. Pot. Next, Q ஓட sound. Q, queen, queen. Okay, quilt. Q, 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 Q தான். Okay, Q, 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 queen, quilt. Okay, see here, P, 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 pot. Okay, children. So see here, igloo, igloo. J, 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 jug. K, 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 kite. இப்போ அடுத்தது இந்த கேக்கு அப்புறம் எல் ல் ல் லெக் லெக் எம்முக்கு மேங்கோ என்னுக்கு எம்முக்கு என்னுக்கு இன் மேங்கோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஓ ஆ ஓ சவுண்ட் என்னது ஆ ஆரஞ்ச் அப்படி சொல்றோம் ஆரஞ்ச் அப்படின்னு ஓரஞ்சுன்னு சொல்லல ஆரஞ்ச் ஸோ ஆ ஓ சவுண்ட் என்னது ஆ ஆ ஆ ஆரஞ்ச் ostrich. Okay. P. P. P ki P. 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 Pot. Okay, children. P. 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 Pot. And Q. 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 Queen. Quilt. Okay. So till which letter we have learned? We have learned till Q. From I to Q. So learn these sounds. Learn these sounds of the letters. And dear children, we'll be seeing in the next class, tomorrow's class. Thank you. Thank you, children.